Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. Another very quick revision series video, and this video is all about understanding mnemonic of ECG. Okay, ECG graph is really important for CSIR NET, GATE, particularly CSIR NET, ICMR. They ask a lot of questions from ECG. ECG की graph से बहुत सारे questions आते हैं, particularly the curves, that is PQRST. तो P क्या है, P wave क्या है, QRS, what is ST segment, what is S standing for, T standing for, and this ECG is corresponding to the ventricle polarization, depolarization, as well as it is related to the intrinsic conduction system of the heart. तो यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आता है और लोग हमेशा पूछते हैं कि किस हिसाब से याद रखें, राइट? ऑल्दो दिस इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट दैट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट, बट beyond the understanding also you need to remember many things in order to answer question fast. तो जल्दी से जल्दी क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए आपको याद रखना है, and here I'll share a mnemonic, a memory trick with you to understand ECG and compartments of ECG, components of ECG, how to remember them. And like every single mnemonic series that we have in this channel, we have plenty, over 50 mnemonics out there. तो उसी तरह इसमें भी हम एक सेंटेंस के जरिए से इस चीज को समझेंगे. तो स्टार्टिंग विद दिस सेंटेंस, यही चीज आपको याद रखना है. और whenever we say a sentence, you need to put the sentence in your brain. उसको ब्रेन के अंदर एकदम इम्पार्ट कर देना है. And what it is, pack a VCR quickly to run videos to relax ventricles. That's it. That's it. VCR क्या था? VCR पहले आता था जहां पे कैसेट डाल के वीडियोस चलाना होता था, राइट? सो पैक योर VCR, पैक VCR क्विकली टू रन वीडियोस टू रिलैक्स वेंट्रिकल्स. VCR में वीडियोस प्ले करो और उससे आपकी वेंट्रिकल रिलैक्स होगा. दैट इज ऑल यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस, यू विल बी एबल टू परफेक्टली फेच ऑल द डिटेल्स रिगार्डिंग द डिफरेंट वेव्स ऑफ ECG. और उसके साथ साथ सिर्फ वेव ही नहीं, उसके साथ आपको वेव का मीनिंग भी पता चलेगा, वो भी मैं टैग कर दूंगा. Pack VCR quickly to run videos to relax ventricles. So now this is the sentence, but we'll rearrange the sentence a little bit. कैसे करेंगे देखो, यहाँ पे rearrange कर लिया. बोल्ड लेटर में जो चीजें लिखा हुआ है, those are more important in terms of mnemonics. तो pack को PSCK से हम PSC कर दिया, because that is what we need. Pack VCR quickly to run VDOS, not videos, VDOS, videos, homophonic, सुनने में एक ही लगेगा मगर स्पेलिंग को थोड़ा चेंज किया. VDOS to relax ventricles. That's it. That is all. Pack VCR quickly to run videos to relax ventricles. Now once you know that, you know all the bold letters are going to be used for remembering all the steps of ECG. और यहाँ पे एक चीज आपको बता दें कि ECG has all these different stages where we have P wave, right? We have Q wave, R, ST. Okay, so PQRST, that is what they have, right? P, then QRS, then T. Not exactly like this, but we say a P wave, QRS complex, and a T, right? That is generally the ECG. That's how it works, PQRST. Okay, so now we are going to use this term starting with the pack. This part, pack, all capital, PAC. P for P wave, AC is A for atrial, C for contraction. So P wave corresponds to atrial contraction. P wave में क्या होता है? Atrial contraction होता है. अब याद रखो कि हार्ट की अगर स्ट्रक्चर की बारे में बात करें यहाँ पे, तो दो सेगमेंट है ना, एट्रियम है एंड वेंट्रिकल है. तो एट्रियम कभी कंट्रैक्ट होता है तो ब्लड एट्रिया से वेंट्रिकल में आता है, फिर वेंट्रिकल कंट्रैक्शन होता है तो ब्लड वहां से बाकी शरीर की जगह पे स्प्रेड होता है. दैट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ हार्ट्स पंपिंग विद एट्रियम. Atrial contraction, atrial relaxation, ventricle contraction, ventricle relaxation, right? So इसको polarization, depolarization term से भी यूज किया जाता है in terms of intrinsic conduction system. So here at the very beginning we have packed this particular segment gives us P wave and AC atrial contraction. तो P wave का मतलब होता है atrial contraction. Clear? The very first part is clear. Next is VCR quickly. So next segment आता है ये VCR quickly. I'll take a color here again. We have VCR quickly. VC is in capital, Q is in capital. Why? VC is a ventricular contraction. VC, ventricular contraction. Q means Q wave. So in Q wave, what happens? Ventricular contraction. Q wave में ventricular contraction होता है. So second part is done regarding VCR quickly, ventricular contraction. Next, the third segment is run videos. Run videos. Now what we mean by run videos here, how to remember run videos, run R is for R wave and VDOs. VDOs. VD means ventricular depolarization. V for ventricle, D for depolarization. Ventricular depolarization, and then come S. S wave ends it, right? So ventricular depolarization started with the R and continue to the S, because PQR, so P is there as I told you, then QRS, QR and S is there. So the ventricular depolarization process takes place throughout this. That's why there is a fall. If you check, there is a fall of the voltage here, right? R is the highest peak and S is the lowest peak here. So that is a fall, that is a depolarization, remember. And this depolarization is what kind of depolarization? Ventricular depolarization. That's why we have the maximum fall here, because ventricle and atria, there is a difference. In atrium, muscle are small, but the ventricle is more muscular. So when there is ventricular depolarization, the peak is the furthest. Okay, so run videos, R for R wave, run R for R wave, videos, ventricular depolarization ends in the S wave. And last thing that we have is to relax, last two things, to relax ventricles. To relax, T for the T wave, and T wave represents basically, I'll take a color here again. So T for the T wave and relaxation of the ventricles, that is what they said. To relax ventricles, that is the last part. So T to relax ventricles, T wave to relax ventricles, that is relaxation of ventricle. That is how the whole process completes. That is how it concluded. That's how it works. That's all the segment of ECG. So I'll give you a quick summary over here, and it said starting with the PAC. So PAC, P for P wave, AC is atrial contraction. Okay, then we have VCR, VCR quickly. So VC means ventricular contraction, quickly, Q for Q wave. Then we have a run videos, R wave, and a videos is ventricular depolarization, S is the S wave where it ends. And to relax ventricles, T for T wave, and relaxation of ventricle is done in the T wave at the end. So by knowing this particular sentence, अगर आप इस sentence को जानो, PAC VCR quickly to run videos to relax ventricles, you will never ever forget important components of ECG, और आपको हमेशा याद रहेगा, आज इस दिन के बाद हमेशा ECG याद रहने वाला है. इस सिंपल सी प्रोबेबली 7-8 मिनट के वीडियो में इतना इंफॉर्मेशन कभी नहीं मिलेगा. So that's why hit the like and subscription button, because यहाँ पे क्रिएटिव एक प्रोसेस भी रहता है ऐसे वीडियोस बनाने के लिए, राइट? So if you really like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to get more and more like this. Thank you. Bye.